YouTube, Christian Prepper Gal here, and today I'm going to be cooking up some dried black beans. I'm going to cook them in my Instant Pot, and then I will be putting them in the dehydrator to dry them out so that I can use them for a recipe that I'm working on. I thought I might as well bring you along while I'm doing this so that you can learn as I learn. So why don't you come along with me? Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut the bag of beans open, and then we're going to rinse them, look through them, make sure there's no rocks or anything that got stuck in with the beans when they were processing them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Look through them. Just something that my mom always had us do when cooking beans. Very rarely anymore nowadays do I find any, but back in the day, there used to be some that you would find once in a while. Often enough to really make you need to do such a thing anyway. Okay, now that they all pretty much look all right, we're going to just go ahead and rinse them real good with cold water. You don't have to soak these when you cook them in the Instant Pot. That's one of the best things I like about cooking dried beans in the Instant Pot. Is you don't have to soak them for hours or overnight. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour them into the inner pot of my 6-quart Instant Pot Duo Plus. Now we're going to put 6 cups of water into the Instant Pot. The black beans are in there. That's the inner pot of the Instant Pot. I could not think of that just a moment ago. Then we're going to set the inner pot right into the Instant Pot. Then we'll put the lid on and seal it. Make sure if your Instant Pot has a pressure nozzle that you turn it to seal. Then I'm going to cook it on pressure cook or manual. I'm going to cook it for 50 minutes. That's 50 minutes. And then I'm going to press start. We'll wait for it to come to pressure and then cook for 50 minutes. Then I'll come back and we'll check on it at that time. But first, I forgot to tell you that I did not add any spices or any fats or anything to the beans because we're going to be dehydrating them for the recipe, and we can add anything that's needed with the recipe at that time. So I'm going to let it sit and cook, and we'll be back. Okay, as you can see, they're done cooking, and then we're going to let them do a natural release for 20 minutes, and I'll be right back to show you what we'll do then. Okay, so it has been manually venting for 20 minutes. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and turn it off. And I'm going to release, let me see here, get it where you can see it. Release the steam, any steam that's left. All the steam has been released and the little pin is down now, so I'm going to go ahead and twist it and open it up. Always open it away from you. And now we'll take a look and see what's inside. I don't know how well you can see in the camera, but there are the beans and just a little bit of liquid left in them. So what I'm going to do now is rinse them out in the sink. Okay, I'm not going to rinse them out in the sink, but I'm going to strain them and drain them in the sink to get rid of all the excess liquid in them. And then we're going to come back tomorrow and put them in the dehydrator and dehydrate them. I'm going to let them drain, then I'll put them in the fridge overnight, and they'll be ready to go tomorrow. And that is it for today's video. So if you like this video, please click on the like button down below. And if you have not subscribed yet, please click on the bell down below to subscribe to my channel. And you'll get updates when new videos become available. So I'll be back tomorrow, and we will dehydrate the black beans. Until next time, happy prepping and God bless.